Hey, what's going on, everyone? It's Jeff at lockdownsecurity.ca, www.lockdownsecurity.ca. And today I'm bringing you a video that I kind of don't want to make because the circumstances of it are kind of sad. Unfortunately, a poor 21-year-old woman was killed in a shooting at a local mall called Vaughn Mills, literally just a bit west of our location in Markham, Ontario. And the reason I'm making this video is that while circumstances still are not clear whether or not she was a victim of a carjacking, her vehicle was stolen before she was shot, and it looks like she was shot in the efforts of stealing her vehicle. And why I'm making this video is because this honestly didn't need to happen. First and foremost, I think it's despicable what's going on here in Canada with the crime and everything that's going on. But at the end of the day, I'm Jeff at Lockdown Security, and I sell anti-theft measures and anti-carjacking measures to help protect my customers. And if this poor girl had one of our measures in her vehicle, she could have safely given up her vehicle, and maybe she wouldn't have been shot and killed like actually happened. So what I want to do is I want to play the news report, and I want to add some context and explain to everybody, like in our previous videos, what we have that could have protected this girl and can protect you and make sure that this doesn't happen to you, or at least give you a fighting chance if you ever find yourself in a situation where you're at gunpoint and somebody's asking you to give up their vehicle or give up your vehicle. So I'm just going to go ahead and play the first portion of the video.
After a deadly daylight shooting outside of Vaughn Mills shopping mall. The circumstances surrounding this shooting are now under investigation.
And it continues this morning. CB24's Courtney Hills is live at Vaughn.
So I'm not sure if the audio of the news report comes through. If it doesn't, I apologize. I actually need to test that. So I'm just actually going to go ahead and explain to everyone essentially what they're saying on the video. So essentially what they're saying is they are saying that this girl was at Vaughn Mills. I don't know if she was going in or if she was coming out, but essentially at some point, two men approached her at gunpoint. They ended up shooting her and they ended up stealing her car. And what they're saying in the news is that they're not sure if she was a victim of carjacking or if this was a targeted shooting. But at the end of the day, her car was stolen. So to me, it has all the hallmarks of a carjacking. So what can we at Lockdown Security do to help you avoid this from happening to you? We can offer you this, which is Amber Connect GPS. Essentially what this is, it's a GPS tracking solution, but it goes one step further. If you look on the app, which I'm going to load here on my phone, essentially you have an app on a cell phone. So provided if you were carjacked, you still had your phone or anybody else's phone for that matter, because you could access the app through anybody's phone. You can also access it through the web. You have essentially an immobilize button that I've just dragged and dropped right there. If you hit that, essentially your vehicle, when it's safely away from you, would be able to be shut down. And I just want to show you what the hardware looks like. Here it is right here. This is an AC410 GPS tracking device. So as you can see, it's quite small, fits in the palm of my hand. It's got a little cable inside of the box. There is a wire harness. This is what we here at Lockdown do. We connect this to your vehicle. And then last but not least, this guy here, which is a relay. It's a standard automotive single pole, single throw relay that gets installed in the vehicle and connected to a source of ignition or a source of fuel in your vehicle. That way, if the vehicle is running, you hit the immobilize button and you can actually shut it down. Now, some people have expressed concerns for safety. Obviously, you have to be properly understanding the appropriate times to shut the vehicle down. So if you were the victim of a carjacking or the vehicle was stolen, you would want to make sure that when you're shutting the vehicle down, you're looking at how fast the vehicle is going on the app, which, by the way, if I reopen the app and I show you here, it actually gives you the speed limit. It gives you the exact coordinates of where the vehicle is before you hit the immobilize button. But essentially what you do, you give the vehicle up to the thieves. You say, here, take my vehicle. No problem. As long as you have your phone, you're good. Or anybody else's phone, you're good. And when the vehicle is safely away from you, you essentially open the Amber app, you hit immobilize, and voila, the vehicle shuts down safely. What do the thieves do at that point? They get out and they run away. So again, I know that this video may look like I'm capitalizing on a sensational media event, but I truly do feel so bad for the family of this girl. She was unfortunately killed needlessly. Why? You know, the Canadian government, the local governments need to do more to stop the flow of guns and all these other things coming in. And not even the flow of guns, but the criminals need to be punished. Those that commit these crimes need to be punished. But listen, we here at Lockdown Security, what our role in all of this is to sell and install security technology for people to protect themselves. Because at the end of the day, clearly, you know, the authorities and the government are not doing enough to protect the citizens of this country. We can assist you with that. And I want to say, if this girl had this technology in her vehicle, she could have safely given the vehicle up, and maybe she wouldn't have been shot by these two horrible men that did that to her. So, you know, in light of these events, if you like this video, hit the like button. If you could, subscribe to the YouTube channel. It goes a long way to help us make more videos like this in the future. Again, I don't want to make more videos like this. I want to make videos about remote starts, dash cameras, that type of stuff. But this is the times we are living in, especially here in Toronto, Ontario, and in Canada. And this is happening all over the United States as well. And we have technology that can stop you from being injured and allow you to safely give up your car and then get it back by using this GPS tracking technology from Amber and supplied by Lockdown Security. Hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.